So this quick tip video shows you how you can pin a specific website as a tab in a team. So here I am in Teams, and I'm going to go to the tab section at the top. Okay, I'm going to be on the general channel for this one, and I'm going to click the plus to add a new tab, and I'm going to choose the website option. There we go. Click website. It says what name do you want to give to the tab. Okay, and actually this is going to be the BBC Science News that I think would be great for them to always have access to within their team. And all I've got to do is paste my relevant URL in here. So I'm going to go to the browser and copy the URL and then paste it into here. Okay, and click save. And now I've got an extra tab that's added that is going to show the BBC News straight in Teams. So really nice way to focus the team on relevant websites that they've got quick access to. So not only can you pin websites to the top if they're really important as a tab, if you've got a really important file that you want pinned to the top as a tab always, you can do that. If you go to the files section on a channel, you select the file you want and go make this a tab. That will now be up there as a permanent tab for them to access on that particular channel.